how to delete Skrill account. Launch your preferred web browser and type in skrill.com in the search bar. Press enter to reach the official Skrill web page. Click on Login to access your Skrill account. Provide your account details including your password and click on Login. After logging in, click on your profile name. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Within the account settings, locate the Account Status option. Next to Account Status, you'll find the option to Close Account. Click on it. A window will appear asking you to state the reason for closing your account. Enter a brief reason, such as no longer using Skrill account. After stating your reason, click on Close My Account. Your request for account deletion will be submitted. Skrill will process the request, and, after a certain period, your account will be permanently deleted. That's it. You've successfully initiated the process to delete your Skrill account. Please note that providing a reason is part of the process, and after submission, you'll need to wait for the account to be permanently deleted. That's how you can delete Skrill account.